Okay, so this is a 3D printer, and it is printing a coffee mug that my friend Pedro and I designed earlier today. So the bottom part is just a little plate that it creates for itself, and we can peel that off later. You can see the handle is a little screwed up, but otherwise it's doing a really good job in making it. This is so amazing. So there's quite a few 3D printers here. This one is working on, actually I have no idea what this is supposed to be. It looks quite intricate. Don't know. Oh, this one's cool. I bet you can figure out what that one's making. Looks almost done. A rocket. Over here, there's loads of different stuff that's been 3D printed. A little castle. Just gotta go around. This whole thing was 3D printed. A vase. Oh yeah. They even 3D print people's faces. I'm going to be getting that done later today. They do that printing with ceramics in this. And in here. Super cool. Okay, back to my mug. Our little operation. Alright, pretty soon we'll have a little green mug. Right, that's all from NASA on a Sunday. Over and out.